Okay, Mom, what kind of puzzle you working on now?
Okay, so this is my almost not quite Yosemite puzzle, but it does have bears. But that mountain is not Yosemite Mountain. So I've got the bears and the cabin and the background. It looks like it might be a little bit difficult during that mountain.
It looks like it's going to be a difficult puzzle, that's for sure.
Yeah, I'm glad it's only 500 pieces. So
Only?
not too bad. Yeah.
That's a lot of pieces. Well, Mom finished the whole puzzle. Look at that. Nice puzzle.